Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Moroccan eggplant salad or entree based on an eggplant. That's for eggplant lovers. It's very easy, delicious and nutritious. Not too many ingredients, but for eggplant lovers, that's a very nice recipe. It's almost like a hummus dip. It's really good. That's the final result. As you see here, that's what we call Zaalouk. You see it? It doesn't take that much time, especially we are using the air fryer. Here I have 2 eggplants. I can use less or more, but as you know, eggplants reduce, it will not stay that much like that. Even if you use 4 ones, in the end you have only a small plate. But these 2 ones give me a small a plate, as a dip. I cut the both ends. You can leave the ends if you like to, but the most important, I cut it from the middle. Then I put some olive oil on it like that, on the skin. But you have to cut it from the middle before you put it on the air fryer. That's it. In 400 degrees, I put them 20 minutes, and it was done after the 20 minutes. If you have bigger eggplants, you might go until 25 minutes to 30 minutes, depend on the size of the eggplant. My eggplants, they were small, 20 minutes was enough, but you can go to a half hour. Like, you put them on the air fry, then go do other stuff. You don't have to watch them. You see how I open them with the fork in the middle? It's soft, and it's easy to mash only with the fork. For the spices, I'm using garlic here with a little bit of tomato sauce, but put like 3 cloves of garlic, some parsley and cilantro, cayenne pepper, salt, cumin, and some paprika. And if you have smoked paprika, use only a little bit of smoked paprika. That's it. And of course, olive oil. Yes. Mix everything together and simmer it or cook it a little bit before that you add the eggplant, because the eggplant is already done. This sauce have to cook a little bit. Yes. For the eggplant, look how soft it is. We peel the skin so easy. You see? It doesn't take that much time. If you want it softer than this, you can add another 5 minutes. This was 20 minutes. I say you can go up to 30 minutes if you have a bigger eggplant. Now my sauce was done, cooked. I add the eggplant and mix it well together. And that's it. Leave it simmer for a few minutes, and our eggplant salad or eggplant entree, it's done. It doesn't take that much time. So easy and delicious. It's something different. And that's the final result. It's really good with some bread, especially if you have a homemade bread. And see you soon in a new video, God willing, and enjoy.